Welcome, and this video I'm going to show you a tour through Android Studio. So previous video I already shown you um, how to create a sample application. Okay, and then today I'm going to show you about a tour through this Android Studio. So so uh, so Android Studio gonna show you, we're gonna give you, let's say, the menu first, because this one is a menu bar like normal application, and then another one which is the tools bar. This tool bar I'm gonna show you later. I'll focus on mostly several of the buttons over here. Okay, then copy, of course, save, copy, paste, so on so forth is command first already. We're gonna show on this one. Then Android Studio also provides you a quick way to access. This one is called the navigation bar. It's very quick for you to access to. Let's say you're going to from resource, you can go to several of the folders of resource as a drop down like this. Okay, let's say you can go to menu. Okay, and then you can access the menu quickly. Okay, or from the source folder, you can go to Android test or main. Okay, resource folder, so on and so forth here. Okay, so it's a quick access. Okay, quick access. Then this one is a tab for you. Okay, to tab through the currently open files. Okay, then here is the editor screen. Okay, editor screen, and this one is a this one is a designer screen, and this one is a code editor for that layout file. Okay, job designer code editor. Then this one is the editor for the code. Okay, and now the main part of today's lecture is that Android provides a server of the tool windows. Okay, tools windows provides a server of the tool windows, and there the Windows provides tools to work with Android application. And in order to access to all of the tool windows, you're going to just mouse over this icon. Okay, mouse over this icon at the status bar, and you're going to have server of the tool windows over here. Okay, server of the tools windows over here, and the one you seen just now you have been using to navigate your project in previous lecture, which is the project. Okay, this one is the way for you to navigate to the file and see the file structures of your app. Okay, this is the one. Okay, then if mouse over, you'll see another one, which is terminal. Okay, terminal is a tool windows which is exactly similar to the normal terminal, this one of your application. So what is this one for? Is it give Android Studio gives us quick access to the terminal. Let's say like for us to do ADB, okay, ADB devices, to list all the devices connected to this developing environment. Okay, arrow I didn't be able to. I wouldn't be able to start that one, so I'm just trying to start it again. Okay, and it showed the list of devices attached is none. We don't have any device attached to this one yet, and later on we're going to create one. Okay, later on we're gonna create one. So anyway, this one is a terminal, and this terminal is similar to our similar to our terminal here. Okay, for our quick access. Then the next the next, how to say, tool windows that I'm going to show you is, let's see, event logs is all the logs coming from Android Studio. Okay, then another one is favorites. Okay, but before talking about the favorites, we're going to I'm going to talk about the structure first. Okay, what is structure? Okay, the structure is just like object browser is gonna see the structure of this currently open Java class. Okay, this one is the Java class, and you have the method, and you can navigate quickly to those methods of the class. Well, anyway, it shows the structure of Java classes. Okay, so if you go to this one, there is no such structure because it's not Java class. So if you click on this one, you'll have the structure. Okay, then another one here is we're going to get back from top down, which is a favorite. Okay, for the favorite, we may have the bookmark, the breakpoint, and the favorites. What is this one? Let's say if we would like to debug the Android application, you're going to click on a debug point. Okay, so if you close this one and if you go to the breakpoint, you see now it's up here, the breakpoint first here, Java line breakpoint, and it's line number 13. So if you double click on this one, you can navigate to that debug point. Okay, so that one is about breakpoint. Then another one is about this favorite. So let's say if you see that inside this class, the onCreate is a very important method that you're going to access to it frequently. So you can right click on this one, add it to favorite. Okay, so you can add to a new favorite list, or you can add to Hello World favorites, which is this one. Okay, so now I'm just add to Hello World favorites. Okay, then inside our favorite we will have this method. Okay, so if you close it, and later you would like to open it, just double click on this one and you could open it. Okay, you could open it. Yeah, so that one is about the favorite and the structures. Then we'll have others tool windows. Let's say build variants is our app can be built for different target, either debugging or releasing. Okay, while development we're going to use debugging. Okay, then another tool windows, which is the Gradle console, which is the console of the Gradle, showing what is the Gradle first. Gradle is for you to set up the configuration for build and to build your application. Okay, to build your application. This is the console of the Gradle. Okay, about build. This is showing you us that we build successfully something. Okay, then let's just collapse this one, and other tool windows won't be okay. Let me do the mouse over on this one, and we have messages. Okay, Gradle console messages. Okay, these are the messages. Okay, and then you have another console like Android. This one is important. This one is another important one. So this one is gonna show the connected devices. You're gonna select the devices. What is the devices? Let's say your emulator or the physical devices which is connected to this one. And you select the devices, okay, and see the processes running inside here, or you see the IDB log, or especially very importantly, this is a logcat. Logcat is a place for you to see all of the log that you could look from your Java code, and you'll see the result from here. This one is a good meaning for us to watch for what is going on, or watch for errors inside our system too, inside our app too. Okay, this one is Android Logcat. Then another Windows is to do. Okay, to do. Let's say I'm having inside here a method which is public int count students. Okay, count students. Then later on I need to connect to the database and count really number of students here, but so far I don't have time or resources to do that one yet, so I'm just gonna simply return a dummy one which is 20 students inside the class. Then actually later on I will have to say to do, we need to write code to really count the students from the database, but that one is in the future. Okay, that one is in the future, not now. So we in order to give a to do, you're going to do this way. Okay, command then to do. This one is a fixed syntax. Then you can write any commands here. Okay, any commands here, and right at this point you'll see that we have one to do item. Okay, one to do item. So let's say if you finish developing, okay, and in the future when you open, you would like to review whether we need to fix anything, you're going to click on to do. Okay, then you'll see that we have one to do item, and if you click on it, it opens this file automatically for us. Okay, so you can fix the code here, write the code here. That one is about to do. Another one is Gradle, is the one for you to run the Gradle commands. Let's say to build your application, to check, to clean, so on and so forth. This one is used to build your application, clean up our application. Okay, that one is Gradle. Then structure, I already showed you to show the structure of the currently open Java classes. Then next one is Maven projects. This one is similar to Gradle, so it's used for the people who are familiar with Maven project. And if you are not familiar with Maven projects, just use Gradle. Okay, this is Gradle instead. Then Commander. Commander is similar to a combination of one of it has two windows, okay, and one of the windows like this is similar to the combination of your project, okay, your project. This one is to view the structure of the file, navigate through the file, and another one is of the structure that I have shown you already. So why, if you open the Commander, see this one, you can navigate just like a project. Okay, sounds good. Okay, main Java. Okay, VN VG hello world. So this one you can navigate just like the project. Okay, and now if you double click on Java file, it's now appearing like a structure. Okay, it's appearing like a structure of the class that you open here. Okay, so that one is about Commander. Okay, that one is about Commander. Let's see. Then the project is I have shown you already. Then memory monitor is to monitor memory because it's easy. So that one is a tour about this. That one is a tour about Android Studio. Okay, and normally I just how to say, dismiss all of the tool windows. So I have wider space to edit my code. So if you want to show them, you can click on this icon. Just click on this icon. Okay, one of the way is mouse over this icon. Okay, and click on them just like what we did just now. Okay, another way is you can just click on this icon and you can observe that all the tabs here, all the buttons here, okay, on the left bar, on the bottom bar, and on the right bar, you can click on the project. Let's say click on it to open it, click on it again to collapse, click open, click collapse. Okay, click open, click collapse, click open, click collapse. So it's another way for you to access them. Okay, then you can also use shortcut. Let's say you can use Control Tab. Okay, you can use this one, Control Tab, to tap through each of the items here, and this one is gonna show you the switcher, so you can switch through all of the items here, as well as all the tool windows, as well as the how to say currently open what is that files. Okay, you can switch through all of them. Let's say you are going to open project, let's say. Okay, or another way is you can use Control E. Okay, Control E for Windows, or you're gonna use Command E for Mac to open the Command E for Mac to open the recent files like this, and you can select them. Okay, those are the other ones. This one is a recent file. Talking about shortcut. If you would like to view the shortcut, okay, you can click on Help, then choose Default Keymap Preferences, and you'll view all the shortcuts. But for me, I see that most frequently used shortcut, including of the Control Space. This one is for code completions. Okay, and another one is Control, let's say Enter. Okay, Control Enter. This one is for code generation. Let's also say I would like to declare private int a private string name of something. Okay, then let me just create in another class. Okay, right click on this one, new Java class, and I want to name student over here, and I have a file which is private int ID of the student, private string name of the student, and right now I'm going to press Control Enter. So it's gonna be able to generate several codes here, several kinds of code here. Let's say if you generate the constructor, then now you select, okay, you select two of the elements, click on OK, then you see it's gonna generate the constructor for you. Similarly, you're going to do Control Enter. Okay, Control Enter. Then you're going to have like getter setter. Okay, you can generate getter setter. Select all of the two. You can create getter setter here. Okay, you can create getter setter here. So it's a good shortcut. Okay, it's a good shortcut, very frequently used. Another kind of shortcut that we very often use is, let's say if we mess up with our code, okay, the code is messed up, we need to automatically reformat our code, then we're going to use this kind of shortcut. You're going to first do select all, okay, by Control A or Command A. Then you're going to use Control. So we do at first you're going to select all, then you're going to do Control, then Alt, then you place I there. Okay, select all first, then Control Alt I. It's gonna automatically reformat your code. So let's observe this one. Okay, let's observe this session. So our code here is a mess. Okay, so you can first select all of them, then do Control, Alt, and I. Observe this area, so it's going to reformat our code automatically. Okay, so this is another important shortcut that you should use. Okay, so get back to this one, you'll see. So those are the important shortcut. Okay. Of course, there are a lot more shortcut, but then this one is another one. Control Alt I to reformat the code. Okay. Then in next video, I'm gonna show you about these stones and how to create a device and how to run our application in the next video.